Brutal.
I got a sheep. Finally got a sheep.
Yes.
I made the best trades at
my
the
turn.
right time to get what I have.
That's great,
Thank you.
man.
Thank you.
Shows you're very.
I got rid of my bricks because I knew I could get them.
Wait, did
to
you
get
do
my
that before
wood
you
and
rolled
wheat.
one?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
I'm on and off the 9.
And I banked on getting a sheep.
That's right.
All right, who wants it to be on then? Who's volunteering?
What's that?
You're volunteering?
Sam.
You volunteering,
No,
Lucas?
I didn't. No, I'm not volunteering.
Give me your card.
It's a mystery card.
I don't care.
Wait.
3.
Why wait? No one announced build phase.
It's not
the beginning of
It's the beginning of my
Did it
turn.
before he rolled.
It's Vance's turn. He rolled the 9.
Huh?
Yeah,
No one said build phase.
Oh, well.
Well, you
Well,
too
wait
slow.
till
It
next
doesn't
build
matter.
They gave me the card.
Sheep and wood.
You can do it on this bill, please.
What you got,
Sheep
man?
and wood. 2 wood.
Yeah, you can build on this turn.